Next, we will see how can we pass multiple arguments to our second chain. For example, when we are creating the blog, we also want to give a emotion to the content. So for example, this is our blog post. Along with title, I want to pass emotion, and then in my prompt I will say the introduction should be written in this emotion tone. Okay, so first of all we need to get this emotion variable from the user, so I will get it from here as a text input. So emotion, so let's go with this. So I will give a select box, select the emotion, and then there are some emotions, okay, there. And also I have created a list of emotions here in emotion.txt file. It can be picked up from here. And for now let's go with this, and then this emotion need to be passed to our second chain. So first chain will work as it is because it need to generate the title, and then in second chain, after blog post and LLM, we need to get the second parameter in for this blog prompt basically. So when we in final chain we get the response from final chain, which will be a title. I will add one more pipe over here, and here in this pipe I will generate a lambda function, and in this lambda I will get title from the first, and then a dictionary object it will return, which will have title and emotion. Okay, now in here I want to see the topic and emotion both need to be available to call it. Okay, now let's head back to our browser, and if I refresh this, so you can see I got two inputs, one is for topic and second is for emotion, and I can see all of these emotions over here: inspiration, energetic, serious, or thought-provoking, direct. Okay, and one more thing I want to do for this is I want to have two different models for different outputs. For example, the title we are generating from OpenAI, and blog post I want to generate it with Ollama. So I will create a new window in terminal and I will run the Ollama Mistral model. So Ollama run Mistral, and it started. So if it is not installed on your system, then it will download it first and then it will run it. So now head back to our editor, and I'm going to import the chat Ollama here. So from Langchain underscore Ollama, import chat Ollama, and then I will create LLM2, and this will be model, and then I'm going to use Mistral over here. Okay, and it should be LLM2. Okay, so LLM2 it is, and then for second chain I'm going to use LLM2. Let's save it. Now let's go back to our browser. Okay, so it started. So let's add a topic. So let's say the topic AI impact on humans, and let's keep it emotional and heartfelt. So you see we got the title, how AI is transforming human lives, and we get the output. Okay, and final thing which we are going to do here is that instead of getting a string output, I want a JSON output. So if I am making an application and I want to get this output and pass it to somewhere else, so I can get a JSON output from here. So let's see how we can format it in the JSON format. And for this, my second prompt, which is generating the blog post, I will add format the output with two keys, title and speech, title and content. Okay, and let's say three keys: title, emotion and content, and fill them with the respective values. Okay, let's save it. And then instead of the string parser, in the second chain we will pass here the JSON output parser, and the JSON output parser need to be imported here. Okay, and then it will be passed in a JSON format. And lastly, then we don't need a content over here, so I will just going to print the response. That's it. Let's head back to the browser. Okay, so let's try AI impact on human lives, and this time keep it inspiring. And we get the title. Now it is generating the script for us, and we get the output. So you see we get the JSON output here. So it gives us title, emotion and content. So we can copy this one, then we can pass it somewhere else. However we want, we can use it in that way.